Hi, friends. Today we are diving into a recipe that's pure luxury for your taste buds. A rich, nutrient dense, and absolutely delicious Kaju Matar Makhana gravy, which is perfect for special occasions. Get ready to make this restaurant style velvety gravy, which features crunchy cashews, sweet peas, healthy makhana. That's incredibly easy to make, and I guarantee you it'll impress your family and friends. So let's get started. To start with, let's cook 1.5 cup of peas with salt. Meanwhile, to a pan, add ghee and roast half cup cashews and keep it aside once it is golden brown. To the same pan, add 1.5 cup of makhana and roast it till it is crispy. Next, add some oil to the pan, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, and 1 big cardamom or the jungle elaichi to enhance the flavor. Add 2 green chilies, few cloves of garlic, and 1 inch ginger. Add 2 roughly diced onions, 2 tomatoes, 1 bay leaf, and a fist of dry grapes for the sweetness. This is optional. If you wish the a spicy gravy, then you can skip this. Saute everything till the tomatoes are cooked and then switch off the stove and allow it to cool. Here comes the secret tip for the creaminess of the gravy. I'm not using any cream or butter for the creaminess of the gravy, but instead, here I'm using 2 slices of bread. Just cut off the brown part of the bread and cut it into small pieces and soak it in milk. I had whey water, so I'm soaking it in the whey water to make it in more protein rich. Grind this and keep it aside. Now grind the cooled ingredients. To enhance the taste, I'm adding a spoon of roasted cashew and roasted makhana and then grinding all together. Now to the pan, add oil and then the grounded paste. To this, add half a teaspoon of turmeric, red chili powder as per your taste, a teaspoon of cumin powder, and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and mix everything. Now add the boiled peas, roasted makhana, water as per your desired thickness. Now add our secret ingredient. As soon as you added this, you can see the change in the texture of the gravy. And now add the roasted cashews for the crunch. Top it up with kasuri methi. Simmer for 5 minutes. And your rich, velvety, and delicious Kaju Matar Makhana gravy is ready. Serve it with hot pulkas, roti, naan, or kulcha. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such amazing recipes. Bye bye.